Science 2. Learning competency. Identify plant fruits as to color, shape, texture, smell, taste, size and number of seeds. Let us read a story. The title of the story is, Carlo the Fruit Lover. Written by, Carms D.G. One morning, Carlo was playing happily in the park. His classmates noticed that he was very active and strong. They asked him, Carlo, why do you have so much energy every day? Carlo smiled and said, because I always eat fruits. I love eating bananas, mangoes, and apples. Fruits make me healthy and give me energy to play and study. Now, let us answer the guide questions. Question number 1. What does Carlo love to eat every day? Alright, Carlo loves to eat fruits. Question number 2. How many examples of fruits did Carlo mention in the story? He mentioned 3, bananas, mangoes, and apples. Question number 3. Do you also want to be strong and healthy like Carlo? What fruits do you eat to stay healthy?
Whoops. Teachers, if you want to purchase the soft copy of the file, lesson plan, PPT presentation, and instructional materials you can use for your CO or classroom observation, reclass or ECP, final demo, or for Teacher 1 application or ranking, you can purchase the soft copy of the file through the link below.
Today, we will discuss the similarities and differences of plant parts, specifically the fruits. Fruits are sweet and fleshy product of a tree or other plant that contains seed and can be eaten as food. Fruits differ in color. There are red, yellow, orange, green, purple, pink etc. in color. In size, some fruits are big, others are small. In taste, some are sweet, some are sour and tangy. Some fruits have many seeds, others are few and seedless. Some fruits are smooth, others are rough in texture. The fruits of the plants differ in color, shape, texture, smell, taste, size and number of seeds. Texture is the feel, appearance, or consistency of a surface or a substance. Why do you think it is important to eat fruits every day? Eating a variety of fruits every day helps our body grow strong and healthy. Fruits give us vitamins, minerals, and energy to play, study, and stay active. Choosing to eat fruits is also a way of taking care of yourself and making healthy choices every day. Remember, a fruit has different characteristics: color, shape, size, texture, smell, taste, and number of seeds. Thank you for listening.